Greetings, culinary explorers. Ever felt that thrill when unboxing a surprise gift? Today, we're unwrapping a dish so refreshing, it's like the culinary equivalent of that first breeze on a hot day. Prepare yourself for a flavor adventure that'll make your taste buds tango. Ingredients checklist. Just like every epic story has its characters, our dish has its star cast. 2 large, confident cucumbers. 1 cup of cashews, previously soaking, having their own little spa day. 1 lively lemon's zest and juice. 2 bold garlic cloves. A bunch of dill, ready to add some drama. 1/4 cup of water, or more if your mix is feeling extra thirsty. Salt, but just a pinch. We don't want our dish getting too sassy. And for the final flourish, cherry tomatoes and olives. Think of them as the dish's plot twist. Act 1. The spiraled splendor. Step into the world of cucumber transformation. If cucumbers ever had dreams, becoming glamorous noodles would be on top. Using your trusty spiralizer, get to work. The result? Mesmerizing, elegant noodle strands. The kind that could easily grace a food magazine cover. Act 2. The tantalizing tzatziki tale. Here comes our dish's protagonist. Our soaked cashews are ready to shine. Picture them, they've been relaxing, preparing for this very moment. Now blend them into stardom with lemon juice, our brave garlic cloves, daring dill, the water, and that pinch of salt. Aim for velvety perfection. This sauce? It's the James Bond of sauces that is suave, smooth, and sophisticated. Act 3. The Grand Union. The scene is set. Our cucumber noodles await their partner. Gently drench them in the tzatziki glory, ensuring each noodle is hugged by the creamy goodness. This isn't just mixing, it's a romantic waltz between ingredients. Act 4. Garnishing with a twist. Now, for our dramatic climax. The cherry tomatoes and olives enter the scene. Slice them, dice them, and let them rain down like confetti on your dish, bringing bursts of flavor and color. Epilogue. Relishing the masterpiece. You may wonder, why this ensemble of ingredients? Well, think of our cucumber noodles as the smooth jazz rhythm setting the pace, while the tzatziki plays the sultry saxophone solo. Together, they create music for your mouth. And those cherry tomatoes and olives? They're the surprise fireworks during the grand finale of a concert. Bright, unexpected, and leaving you in awe. For those still wondering about this dish's charm, imagine this. If traditional pasta is the cozy blanket you wrap up in during winter, cucumber noodles are the cool silk sheets of summer. Refreshing, luxurious, and oh so inviting. This isn't just a recipe, folks. It's a culinary journey, a gastronomic tale, and a flavor-filled adventure. Perfect for when you want to impress at a dinner party or just treat yourself on a quiet evening. Remember, in the vast universe of food, there are stars, and then there are superstars. This dish? Definitely the latter. It's got the looks, the flavor, and the flair. Before we part ways, a quick pro tip that is play some jazzy tunes in the background while preparing this dish. It sets the mood, and who knows, the cucumbers might just dance a bit more, the cashews might blend a tad smoother, and your final plate might just taste a hint more spectacular. So, fellow food adventurers, gear up for this thrilling ride. Dive deep into this whirlpool of taste and come out rejuvenated. Relish every bite, cherish every flavor, and let your taste buds dance the night away. Until our next culinary rendezvous, eat, enjoy, and embrace the vegan vibes. Cheers! Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this recipe useful. And for more empowering and enriching content, make sure to subscribe.